How to contact Uphold Support Center. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to the preferred web browser. On your browser, tap on the search bar and search for Uphold Support. In the search result, you will see the link with support.uphold.com. This is the Uphold Help Center webpage link. Navigate to this link. It will take you to the Uphold support page. From here, you can find different support options. You can go through it. But if you want to contact our Uphold Health Center, in the top right corner, you can see the 3 lines icon. Tap on this. Now select Contact Us. Now you will need to log into your Uphold account first. You can tap on this login and log into your account. Now you'll be prompted to this Contact Us page. You can see this form over here. You need to fill out your details. Tap on this Your Email Address field and enter the email address linked with your account. Select the issue for which you want to contact the Uphold. In this field over here, you can describe your issue in details. And if you have any supporting attachments regarding your problem, you can attach the file over here. And once you are done, you can tap on this Submit button. The Uphold Support Center will review your problems and come back with a solution. So you will have to wait until then. So that's how you can easily contact Uphold Support Center. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.